What's going on YouTube? Murderkid's back here, bringing you guys another POV video on the GoPro. Oh, what is that? What is that mama doing? We're in the back roads basically. I'm gonna go to this nice little like spot. I'll post some footage. Maybe through my phone, I don't know. I guess I'll bring the GoPro with me. Look at all that sweet. That boy got money. That was a Porsche GT something. It was a 911 something platform. But anyways, shout out to Glenn. I'm passing Glen Road. Shout out to Glenn, my boy Glenn. He's always OC. But yeah guys, we're beaming through these streets. And yeah, we're having a good time. I mean, unfortunately, something is rattling on my car. You can barely hear it. And I have a light for my traction control is on. It's just permanently turned off. But I still have my brakes. I still have ABS. So that's a good thing. It's just my car has no traction control. And it's a completely different car with no traction control on. Definitely faster, definitely more edgy for sure. I guess that's the best way to describe it. I just worked out, had a nice little ab exercise, trying to get the Murderkid 6-pack running this summer. It's actually gotta dodge these people. But anyways guys, please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'm trying to make this my full-time gig. Right now I'm working part-time jobs, but I really want YouTube to be my full-time. So smash that like button, share this with a friend if you think they'd enjoy my commentary, my humor. But guys, we're out here living lavish. That's all I had to say. Passing by a nice, probably one of the nicest private schools in America right here is Bullis. Driving right by. That's the athletic field. Their lacrosse team's insane. Their football team. Shout out, unfortunately, in memory of Dwayne Haskins. He was a Bullis alumni. So, but yeah, Bullis is like a really top tier school. Super awesome if you go there. Shout out all the Bullis heads. And yeah. But this E90 is mean in the corners, guys. Nice inline 6 engine, just feels so good on the acceleration. Very clean, very fluid, very linear, very narrow. Oh, look at that W203 new Beamer. I mean, as well as I vlog and talk and do commentary, I guess we can do car spotting as well. Look at that Mustang drop top. Cannot go wrong with that. W204 pre-facelift. It's basically my car, essentially. I think the Beamers look a little bit better. I might be a little biased. Once you do some modifications to the appearance, cosmetically. But I think the Beamer, overall, the pre-facelift looks better. And so does the facelift as well is beautiful. But the Benz is also beautiful, the C-Class of the same years. Tesla you cannot go wrong with. I really want a Tesla. But yeah guys, I might have to do a GoFundMe or something. Please cop the merch in support of my channel. That'd really help me out as well. Let's see where I'm going. Guess I'm going straight. But yeah guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, we're back. We're back and we're chilling. Nice neighborhood. Look at the houses. Absolutely beautiful. I swear. I mean, these have to be $1 million houses. Have to be. They got gates, and they got the fence, and they have the sidewalk with the pearly gates. These on the left don't look too nice. That one's pretty nice. The ones on the right are really nice. Potomac Falls. If you live there, you're doing comfortable. You definitely get the Uber Eats sometimes. Oh, nice little, wow, older Mustang. Beautiful. But yeah, guys, we're pulling up to my little spot that I like to go to just chill out and, you know, enjoy sunsets, stuff like that. And yeah, guys, smash that like button. Like I said before, check out my merch. Check out my other videos as well on my channel. Shout out all my OG fans. You guys are awesome. I really like the Beamer community. Unfortunately, my Prius cats got stolen, so I'm just gonna be driving this for right now until I get that fixed. It's super loud, and it's like, I feel like the floor is shaking with no cats on the Prius. So it's like something I prefer not to drive. The Beamer feels really good to drive. It's just expensive with the gas, for sure. It's one thing I miss about the Prius. Like 20 bucks would get you like so far compared to 20 bucks in the Beamer. But the Beamer is a lot more fun for sure. And in the looks department, I like the way the BMW looks over the Prius, but that could just be me. Guys, one time I was driving on this road and it was storming, and I was just driving because like I was just so bored. I didn't want to be at home. There was a freaking like bus flipped over. I'm not even kidding. Like it was raining really bad at night and it flipped over. And yeah, I was like probably one of the first people to witness it, and like the fire department came. It was crazy. Or like a tree fell down as well. It was like very wild. Like these big trees. It was like around this road, honestly, I think. Alright guys, Beam feels so good. Wow, very responsive still, years later. The e90 is God tier. It's absolutely beautiful, well-made, engineered car. Ultimate driving machine, the 3 Series. But anyways, guys, love you all. About to go enjoy my time. Have your time as well. Take care of yourself. I'll catch you. See you on the next video. Peace.